High-speed RC cars 1/16 scale remote control monster truck 4WD all-terrain off-road. If you are a racing enthusiast, you can't miss it. This high-speed RC car has cool appearance and flexible operation. Safe material which are relieved and children are joyful when playing with it. Perfect size and full proportional superfast monster truck. The structure includes frame, cockpit, shock absorbers and motors are super strong. The body of the truck and bumper are made of durable nylon materials for protecting the components inside from being broken, durable metal universal joint cup for sturdy handling.